Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make crystal salt into powder salt, just like the ones available in store. As these days there are only products full of artificial ingredients available in the market. In the end we forget about our health. So today I bring you this technique which is very easy and in the end good for our own health. Just like our grandparents were healthy by using crystal salt, so let's not delay more. Now we roast the crystal salt in the pan. We roast until the salt loses its moisture. Usually it takes only 1 or 2 minutes. We roast it in medium flame. Now our salt is ready. Keep it aside until it cools off. Now we are going to grind our salt into a smooth dust. In just 10 seconds, our salt will be ready. Now our healthy salt is ready for instant use.
So if you like the video, then share and subscribe, and do not forget to press that bell notification button.